Okay, so Donna says, like to see how to find the average. So let's just go over that problem then. The one that I have, let's just find the average of following fractions. And then let's take a look at the one we have in the take-home test. So we have three numbers here. We want to find the average. The first thing we do is we need to add all the numbers and divide it by number of terms. In this case, we have three numbers, so we have to divide it by 3. To add a mixed number, we can line up the whole numbers and mixed number like this. So over here, as you see, there is no whole number here, so we can put 0, and we want to add these. Let me ask questions. What would be the first step to add these fractions? Those of you with microphone, Donna, can you tell me what's the first step?
Common denominator.
Very good. You find the LCD among these numbers. We have 5, 10, and 15. And I've seen some of you try to add these numbers by changing the mixed number to improper fraction. You shouldn't do that. You should stay with the whole numbers and mixed numbers separately. That way you don't have to deal with the large number. So let me ask anyone who with the microphone. James, Thomas James, can you tell me what the LCD is?
30.
Okay, good. So the LCD is, you're saying, is 30. Okay, would you agree with that? Okay, so we need to multiply these fractions by a number. Now Kevin says why. Let's see how to find the LCD between 5, 10, and 15 then. LCD of 5, 10, and 15. The first step is to break the numbers to its prime numbers. 5 is already prime. 10 would be 2 times 5. And 15 would be 3 times 5. As you see here, we can group these. We have one group of 5, one group of 5, one group of 5, and one group of 3, and one group of 2. To find the LCD, you need to compare the groups of 5. In this case, we have equally alike, so we pick 5. And then we have one group of 2 here, no group of 2 anywhere else, but we need to pick the largest of all, so we pick 2. And we do the same thing with 3. So if you only have one group of 3 here and no groups of 3 in the other, 3 in the other one, So you pick this 3. So this is how you pick the numbers for finding the LCD. So that would be 2 times 5 is equal to 10, and then 10 times 3 would be equal to 30. Kevin, do you see how to find the LCD? Okay, make sure you review that if you have any problem. So the LCD is 30. I need to multiply this 5 by a number to make this 30. So what is that number? What do I have to multiply the first fraction with? 6 over 6. Good. I have to multiply the second fraction with 3 over 3. And how about the last fraction? What do I have to multiply with? 2 over 2. Good. Okay, so over here we have 3 and 12 over 30. And here we have 0 and 27 over 30. Here we have 2 and 22 over 30. So now I can add these. So we have 5 here. So what would be a mixed, adding the mixed number? What is a fraction portion of this? Anyone? Okay, Donna says 61 over 30. Okay, very good. So now we need to take this number and divide it by 3 to give us the average. Okay, I'm going to give you a few minutes, everyone, to do that and see what you get. When you multiply or divide, then you can change a mixed number to improper fraction to divide. But when you add or subtract, you want to keep the mixed number as is and add the whole numbers together and add the mixed numbers together. So I'm going to open this to everyone to write down the answer. What do we get when we divide this by 3? Give me a minute to look at that. Okay, we have some answers already been posted down. What you can do here is to you change the mixed number to improper fraction. You can multiply 5 by 30 and add 61 to that over 30. That's how you do that. So here you get 5 times 30 plus 61 would be 211 over 30. If you divide this by 3, it's like you're multiplying it by 1/3. So that gives you 211 over 90. Okay. Since all these numbers was given to us as a mixed number, we should change this last number to a mixed number as well. So if I divide 90 into 211, I can do that here. If I divide 90 into 211, that gives me the remainder of 31. So that's the same as 2 and 31 over 90. So this is how we can add the numbers here, add these 3 numbers, and to find the average we divide it by 3, and that's the answer. Okay. Can I see a check mark next to your name if you all can follow this?